Hey guys, Ryan here. In this video, I want to talk about Amazon's IP Accelerator program. If you haven't heard of it, it's basically a way of fast tracking your way into brand registry, which helps you protect your product listings. It's especially useful for private label brand owners because the more successful your products are, if you can't defend the listings, then the way Amazon's catalog works, they don't want the same product existing twice on their catalog. They take it very seriously. They'll actually suspend your whole account if they see you added duplicate products to their catalog, so don't do that. And yeah, so if someone else is selling the same product as you or very similar, like there are people, it's really been more of a problem since they opened up their platform to international sellers, but rather than launching a new product and trying to get it ranked, people just look for products that are already ranked really well that they can just sell on. They call it, competing for the buy box, hijacking the listing, etc. So with brand registry, we not only get a suite of additional tools like enhanced brand content that increase conversion rate, and increased conversion rate means more sales, better rank, more money for you, etc. But also helps you defend your product listing against potential hijackers. I've also done a video. I'll talk about it later, but brand registry can get you into the Project Zero. All right, real quick, let me introduce myself. My name is Ryan Hogue. I've sold over $1.6 million on Amazon. I have an Amazon FBA Facebook group where the community is helping each other succeed on Amazon and teaching new people how to sell on the platform. I have a free FBA mini course. Speaking of teaching new people how to sell on the platform, this 7-day mini course will get you up and running, or at least get you, assist you in finding your first profitable product to sell on Amazon. Also, I've published transparent income reports since day one. I do one a month. So if you want to see what the climb is like from somebody who went from not selling on Amazon to someone who's sold over $1 million on Amazon, check out my income reports. There's always a link in the description. It's right next to the line that says why you can trust me, because I don't want you to trust me just because I'm a talking head on YouTube. I want you to ask questions like, do you know what you're really talking about? Have you sold on Amazon? There are plenty of people that talk about selling on Amazon that don't even do it. So that's out there. And last but not least, I spent over a year writing the most thorough Amazon FBA course that's out there. It's self-paced. I'm here to assist you as needed if you opt to join. There's a link in the description. Check that out. All right, now to the IP Accelerator. This pretty much assumes you're already selling on Amazon or have a Seller Central account open. So you're familiar with the navigation inside of Seller Central. Go to Apps and Services, then go to Explore Services. Then click IP Accelerator under what service do you need help with. Now, you have plenty of options of different law firms to help you with filing your trademark. The one that I used, and it came from a recommendation of, friend of the YouTube channel. I've done a couple live streams with him, our friend Luke W. You can go check out his channel, by the way, if you guys want more great FBA content. He's killing it with the videos. Shout out to him. He recommended Idea Legal, and that is what I used for my second trademark. Or really, it's a trademark that I'm helping bring that hand sanitizer brand to Amazon. Those of you familiar with my FBA mini-series, you've heard me talk about it. So all you have to do is click, and in this case, I clicked Idea Legal, click Contact Provider. You'll get a pop-up, and you're going to want to check trademark. What services you're interested in, click trademark, and then what are you looking for? Write something along the lines of, I'd like to trademark my brand and enroll it in Amazon Brand Registry. Then click Submit Request, and you will likely either receive a phone call or an email. And the way it works is they'll send you some more forms that you're going to need to provide them information that they need to get your trademark application started, also to do the research to see if it can be trademarked. The cool thing is, by doing the IP Accelerator, the actual trademark, so the alternative to IP Accelerator is to actually get the trademark done the other way. And, well, actually, sorry, let me reset. IP Accelerator, there's no way to actually accelerate getting that trademark done as far as the USPTO, US Patent and Trademark Office goes, right? It's still going to take quite a while. It's going to take months. My first trademark took something like 6, 7, 8 months. Now, some of that could have been on my end because I have a couple lawyers in the family. They helped me get my trademark. I didn't have to overpay some law firm. Oh, by the way, I did get quotes from law firms, and they were all over $1,000. If you use the IP Accelerator, you get your trademark, and you get fast-tracked into brand registry, and it only cost us, I think, $800, maybe $850 if I recall. So still cheaper than hiring a random law firm to just file a trademark for you that wouldn't get you fast tracked into brand registry. In this case, using Idea Legal, I think we paid $800. It's still going to take a while to get the trademark, but here's the thing. I don't actually care that much about the trademark. I really just want to be in brand registry. It only took 7 or 8 days from the time we applied. We also called them on the phone. They were very helpful. We explained that we're trying to really fast track this because we're trying to get hand sanitizer on Amazon during the cerveza sickness crisis. So there was a real need to fast track this. And they understood, they helped us out, but it was like 7 days and we were in brand registry on Amazon. So definitely recommended rather than dealing with the potential higher prices and more of a headache of finding a law firm to help you or doing it on your own. All right, guys, and then another cool thing about being brand registered on Amazon, you may receive an invite into Project Zero. Now, you may actually have to apply. So the reason I don't know is because like I received an email for being brand registered when Project Zero was in beta. I applied for the beta and I was accepted, and I've done a video previously on my YouTube channel talking about Project Zero, how it gives us the tools to police our own listings. We can actually go in, and by the way, you need to read the rules first before you do this, but it basically gives you the ability to remove people yourself from your listings that are trying to hijack and sell fraudulent items. So it's good stuff, guys. Project Zero should definitely be the goal. You should be in Project Zero if you're planning on selling private label products on Amazon under your own brand. All right, that's it for this video, guys. Real quick, just wanted to remind you, Webull lets you trade stocks, options, and cryptocurrency completely free. You get 2 free stocks when you sign up and deposit at least $100. I mean, it's free money. Why wouldn't you take advantage of it? And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do me a favor, like, subscribe so that you get notified when I drop future videos. They're going to help you make money online through e-commerce. Thanks for watching till the end, and I'll see you at the next one.
Passive Income School is open. Enroll now at ryansmethod.com. Thank you.